These bagels are so tiny. Oh, it's raining! Hell no. What's going on, guys? Blickwood Dave here. Late start today. It is about, whoops, it was about like 1:30. It's raining outside. I wanted to go out and get some tape, some packing tape because I'm going to be doing some more boxing today. But I don't know. Let's see how it goes. Hey, buddy. How you doing? How you doing, buddy? How you doing? You cold? I'll be back later. So yeah, guys, I am on my way out. Have to go to the store real quick. It is pouring rain, so I doubled up. Have my hoodie, jacket. Oh look, I got some of these old Adidas. I don't even know what they are. But yeah, I got these sneakers before I even got into sneakers. Somebody hooked me up with them. Here we go. Here we go. There's some big corn. It's huge. I can't get over how squeaky my shoes are. Oh my god. Here's what's up. Mega stuff. Forgot the F. Oh, look at this. Triple double. Doesn't even make sense. I guess triple cookie, double. Ooh. Whoa. Hey, buddy. What you doing? Oh. We not overcome evil, but overcome evil with good. So, not a big deal. I got some tape. Got some ketchup for lunch today. I'm not eating this for lunch, but it's gonna be part of the lunch. Some off-brand cheese curls, but they're Cheetos. They're not hot Cheetos, but still works. And of course, Dr. Pepper. And I also got this little number, which I'll open in a minute. So let's see what we got here. Let's just say who's it from. Socks and Socks. So obviously I know what this is. Socks and Socks. Shout out to Ashley Weston, who recommended that you should get colored socks and not just the plain old white socks. So I'm slowly transitioning out of my white sock phase. My back. I got the polka dot kind because totally rock these with both my Sunday apparel and also just the regular everyday apparel. Might get like some camo next time. But yeah, Socks and Socks. But yeah, my room's a complete mess. I'm trying to pack everything and everything is like everywhere, but it's lunchtime and this is what my flatmate got. So this is In-N-Out Burger. We've got the animal fries right here. Yummy. And this is supposed to be a protein wrap double-double, but it looks significantly small. That's messy.
Yeah. Cut them.
But it's there. It is there. So I'm gonna eat real quick and then we'll get back into it. I don't know about you guys, but watching Naruto always seems to get me all emotional and everything. The story is so rich with a lot of pain, a lot of loss, a lot of bitterness. It's one of my favorites. It's actually, I feel like it's my favorite. There you go. There you go. There you go. Yep. Dan, did you taste the animal fries? The boy. I guess it kind of stopped raining. Oh, the baby's crying. Who's that? What is that? Say hi. Say hi. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead and end the video. Got a lot of stuff I need to do. And as you can see, I've got boxes there. Boxes there. It's a whole lot of stuff. So yeah, thank you so much for watching, and make sure you leave your comments down below. Let me know what you guys think about this video. It's kind of a newer format of my vlogging, but I hope you guys enjoyed it. 2017 is going to be huge. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video. And until then, I'll catch you guys at the next video. Bye.